The split window function was developed on the GDS-3000 to take advantage of its large screen. Each split window displays a channel that can be triggered independently, making users feel that the oscilloscope has more value than a single standalone unit. A demonstration of the split window function. First, connect each of the channel terminals, channel 1 to channel 4, on the GDS-3054 to an input signal such as sine wave, FM, square wave, and burst wave. Press the Autoset key. In a single screen, the waveforms can be observed, but each waveform cannot set independent horizontal ranges. Press the split window key on the front panel to enter split window mode. Press Autoset again to reset the waveform display. When you want to set the parameters of a specific window, press the corresponding window button to switch to that window. Each window can be set with independent vertical settings, horizontal trigger settings, and automatic measurement options. Press the CH1-CH4 keys to independently set the impedance for each channel so different applications can correctly match impedances. To exit the split window mode, press the split window key again to return to the single screen mode. Therefore, through the split window function, the GDS-3000 series can simultaneously view the same waveform at different vertical and horizontal ranges, or view a number of different waveforms simultaneously, making it an indispensable aid